The first topic is what is an API. API stands for application programming interface. API is a set of rules that lets different software programs talk to each other. It defines how to make request and exchange data between applications. Let's say it is a client and it is a server. So this is called client and this is called server. When the client send a request to the server, so in that https protocol will be following https. In that some url will be there plus endpoint will be there. Endpoints will be there. So when the client sends the request to the server, server just accept this response and process the request and send back the response to the client. So this is the phenomenon which is being conducted in the API testing.